Now I want to install. I've already installed Google Tag Manager code on this website. If we check now, we already have the Google Tag Manager from Google Analytics and also the Google Tag Manager, which I already installed here. So similarly, on the thank you page also, for this particular thank you page, so we also see this. Now we want to install a conversion code here. So what we need to do now, we go back here. You have to create a new trigger. Create a new trigger. Go to trigger, this tag manager, go to trigger, new trigger. So let's call this law thank you. Law thank you because I call it safety thank you lah, because that's the name of the page. Safety thank you. Let's go trigger configuration. Page view, select page view. So which page we want to go? URL, contain. So this is the page we want to go. Okay, copy, select this page. Okay, save. So you got safety thank you here. We submit. So we call this safety thank you. This is the version. This is for our reference anyway. Publish it. Okay. So now we've already added the trigger. Safety thank you is triggering at this particular page. Safety page. The thank you page. Okay. So there is no tag yet. So how do we get the tag? So we go back here, workspace. We need to create a new tag. So let's create a new tag. Okay. So we need to create a new tag. So let's call this safety. We just use the same name because we want to make it consistent for easy reference. So we click tag configuration. So now we select Google Ads conversion tracking. Okay. Okay, we need to get the conversion ID and conversion label. Okay. So how do we get this? So we go to our, okay, this is the previous conversion ID. Now let's go back to conversion. How do we get here? Actually, we select tools and we select conversion. So these are all your conversion. So we want to create a new conversion code. So we just click plus sign here, add new conversion, and we click same thing, website. Okay. So we have to select submit lead form. Now, so we call this safety queue page. Okay. So we use the same value for every conversion. We put it at RM1. This is for leads. We select count as 1. Recommended for leads. How many conversion to count per click? So every conversion will be counted as 1. So recommended for leads. So the rest we leave it. We go to continue. Here we select the Google Tag Manager. So this is our conversion now. So we copy this. Copy. We go back here. Put the conversion ID here. Paste. Sorry, we go back here. Conversion label. Copy. Go back here. Paste. Okay. Okay, and then we select our trigger also. So we trigger at our safety thank you page. We add. Remember, we have to select where we want to trigger this. Add safety landing page. Sorry, thank you page. We add the trigger. Okay, and then we save. Okay, once we submitted, we submit. So we call this safety queue conversion code. So reference, yeah. Okay, fish. So if we check our trigger now, you see now safety TQ already have one additional tag here. Okay, which is our conversion tag here. Okay, okay, we have the tag Google Ads conversion tracking on safety TQ. Safety TQ to trigger is there is one tag here. So if we go back to our landing page here, sorry, this thank you page here. Let's reload back again. It takes some time for the trigger to occur. Sorry, the tag to occur. Still two. Huh? Take some time. Huh? Maybe we need to let's do this first. Let's go back here. Next. Need to click done. Okay, it'll take some time before the trigger can occur. So let's reload here. Okay. Takes a couple of minutes actually. Reload again. I'll just pause it first. Now we are back at this thank you page for safety. So if we check now, so the conversion tracking is there now. So now we can do our Google Ads using the conversion tracking as our one of the parameter that we're going to use for tracking conversion. Okay, that's all. That's how we install conversion tracking code using Google Tag Manager. Okay, thank you.